Today I'm gonna cook the sausage curry. Now I'm frying the sausage, and I fried the onion and the green chili. I'm frying till it's become brown. So now I'm gonna add the ginger garlic paste. And now I'm gonna add the chopped tomato. Now I'm gonna add chopped tomato. Now I'm gonna add the masala, the mixed curry powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder, red chili powder and pepper. The tomato almost cooked. Now I'm gonna mix. I add all the masalas and mix it well and mix it well. Control your flame. And time to add the sausage. And if you want to add the potato, just add it. It's very tasty. It's easy to cook. It's very tasty with the chapati, paratha and hummus. Also you can add the coconut powder. Just stir it, the coconut powder. So you can just pour it. And mix it well. The sausage curry is going to be ready. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how to cook the chicken curry. Thanks for watching.